how long it takes to make a review of a tool? Probably much longer than some the YouTubers, YouTube channels take to review, I don't know, a radio or an aeroplane or a drone or whatever. Because today, after a few months, I'm here for the second round on the Xiaomi Miaoiha or whatever this. No. This is the Xiaomi Wowstick electric screwdriver review. Yeah. In my original video, I stated that this is crap because it does not have enough torque to actually screw something in or out. And I still say that this has no torque to actually screw anything in and out. But I've been using this. I've been actually using this diskless design for last few months. I even printed some bits. I'm using this. This is on my, oh, okay, you cannot see. This is on my desk over here, and I was kind of wrong. This is kind of useful tool. It's not perfect. It's not perfect mostly because, like I said, it does not have enough torque, but it's simple to use this thing than use something else, because when you untorque it, the screw is already spinning loose or still spinning loose. You can just use the electric side of this. You do not have to like, oh, I hate those screwing things, blah, 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 blah. Then when the torque gets not enough, you have to apply some torque on the manual. Do I have something that I can screw or unscrew, torque it or untorque it? Oh, wait, yes. Yeah, for example, over here. I'm working on a thrust vectoring airplane, for example. So if I try to torque or untorque something, you see, it just does not have torque. But you do it like this, you help yourself with your hand, the resistance is over, and you unscrew it. Then on the other side, it's there, it's working again. So, like I said, it's not that bad after. It's not that bad after all, and I'm actually using this on my bench for building drones, aeroplanes, and just putting things left and right. But I have a second kinda like problem. The problem are bits. They were supposed to be super awesome bits, like this long bit. Let's focus. And some people said, oh, those bits are made in Germany, they are really excellent quality and they are super awesome. No, they are not. With all due respect, they are not awesome, they are only okayish. They are really okayish. This one, this is 2. Yes, this is Hex 2. I'm using this most often. It's almost dying. I will have to get a replacement. Some of the bits were just missing. I had to get some replacements, not from the set. Actually, some bits I have from Lidl are kind of better than those. Not that bad, but not good as some people were saying as well. Overall quality, yes, it's fine. It's good. It's useful. I'm really using this thing. But can I recommend it? Yeah, if you want to have a nice gadget. Yeah, probably this is really something that can be used day by day if you really don't need a lot of torque. So I don't know, like do it yourself. Once again, precision work. I'm not doing really any precision work, so maybe this is not for me. But still, I'm using this for the RC hobby, for the drones, because come on, it's just simpler to use this than doing something. Anyhow, did that review make sense? Yeah. Probably. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Bye.